Hi children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are the class 4 children. Page number 39 children, page number 39 as we have completed this everything, the conversation practice in English. So this is class 4 children. This is Veggie Lion. This is the poem children, and this is like a ironic part is this, the lion cannot be veggie, but the poem is about the imagination, right? So they have here they have introduced a new poem in your book. Okay children, that is the Veggie Lion. It is there on the page number 39. Okay children, the Veggie Lion. I am a vegetarian lion. I have given up all meat. I have given up all roaring. All I do is go tweet tweet. So here the lion is saying about himself. Are you seeing that he is eating the carrots and he's just going tweet tweet only? So that won't happen, but this is the imagination of the poet. That poet name is Spike Milligan. He about this author, like he's from India itself, and he was an actor and he was a poet and he has written many poems. Okay, so this is about his imagination. Okay, let us see what he can imagine. Okay, I never ever sink my claws. So its claws are there present in this, so it never sink the claws into the animal skin. So other animal skin, it's never going into that. Okay, it only lets the blood run out and lets the germ rush in. It's only the blood run out and then the germs are rushing. Means if any wound is there, and if so what happened, the germs are getting onto that wound. Okay children. So I used to be ferocious. What do you mean by ferocious children? Means very dangerous, fierce, square, cruel and violent. Okay, that is called as ferocious. So this is the lion is saying about himself, what it was and what it now. It become a veggie lion and it was used to eating a meat. Now he is only eating the vegetables like thing. Okay. I used to be ferocious. I even tried to kill. He has killed so many animals, but the sight of all the blood made me feel quite ill. So he is saying that whenever I used to see the blood, I felt quite ill, somewhat clumsy or somewhat different I felt. Okay. I once attacked an elephant. I sprang straight on his head. I woke up 3 days later in a jungle hospital bed. Okay. So what happened? He is saying that he once attacked an elephant and then I sprang straight at his head. At the elephant head he has sprang. Then what has happened? They just both fight together, and what happened? What he is saying about him? What it's saying about himself? That lion, he was found after 3 days in the hospital, jungle hospital bed. This is all imagination of the poet children. Okay. Now I just eat carrots. They are easy to kill. So is it that we have to kill the carrots and we have to eat? No, but it's a imagination. That's it. Okay. Cause when I pounce upon them, they are all remain quite still. So cause means because. This is a short form of because is cause. Okay, cause. Because what it is saying that whenever you are taking the carrots and other vegetables, they are not shouting and they are remaining still. They are not doing anything. There is no action on them. So it will be easy for him so that it can eat the carrot. So this is all about the poem children. I am a vegetarian lion. I have given all meat. I have given up all roaring. All I do is tweet tweet. Okay, you can find here the rhyming words children, like meat, tweet tweet. I never ever sink my claws into some animal skin. It only lets the blood run out and lets the germs rush in. Okay. I used to be ferocious. I even tried to kill, but the sight of all blood made me quite ill. Kill, ill. I once attacked an elephant. I sprang straight at his head. I woke up 3 days later in a jungle hospital bed. Head, bed. Okay, next. Now I just eat carrots. They are easy to kill because when I pounce upon them, they are remain quite still. So this is all about the poem, children. Okay, please learn these new words. What is the spelling for ferocious? F-E-R-O-C-I-U-S. Ferocious. Feeds. Cruel or violent. Okay, this is there. Okay. Read and answer, children. Read and answer. Page number 40. The lion has become vegetarian. Yes, that is true. You can write T-R-U-E, but I am just writing T. Okay. Okay. He still roars very loudly. No, false. He has kept quiet. He has stopped hunting animals. Yes, he has stopped hunting animals. True. He used to be ferocious. Yeah, exactly. He used to be ferocious. That is true. Please write capital T. Okay. The sight of a blood makes him hungry. No, no, not at all. He once killed an elephant. He just attack on them. He just attack on them. No, no, false. He didn't kill them. He only eats carrots now because he finds tasty. False, because only the thing is he eats carrots not because they are very tasty, but it's like they are remain still. Okay. Next. Okay, discuss in the class. Can a lion become vegetarian? Why not? No, that is his nature. It can't be a vegetarian. Only, okay. How has the lion in the poem changed after becoming vegetarian? It became vegetarian after this fight between the elephant and he went into the bed, jungle hospital bed. What makes the poem enjoyable? Is it contrast between the behavior of a normal lion and a veggie lion? Yes, it is a contrast between, because they are totally different. Yes, because it is beyond the imagination. That is the reason it is enjoyable. Mention the differences between a normal lion and a veggie lion. Please, you do homework, children, this one. Okay, and that it will be complete our lesson. Okay, the normal lion, it eats meat. Veggie lion, it eats vegetables. Normal lion, very ferocious. Veggie lion, not so ferocious. Normal lion, roaring a lot and hunting a lot, but veggie lion, it's not hunting, it's not roaring at all. Yes. So now this will be the completion of our chapter. Okay, children, take care, children. Bye.